So for a 3 by 3 determinant, you can expand along any row or column, and what you will do is you will sum up from the basically along that row the -1 to the I plus j times that entry, and then whatever determinant you get from the 2 by 2 matrix. So here's what would happen. If I expand along row 1, I would start off with -1 coming from the formula, and then I plus j. And the I plus j is really just the row plus the column. So this entry is in row 1, column 1. Then I multiply that by the matrix entry that I have. So in this case, the matrix entry I have is -1. Now, I then multiply that by the 2 by 2 matrix that results from crossing out row 1 and column 1. So that 2 by 2 matrix would be 1, 0, 0, -3. Now, you technically add that to -1 and then the row plus column for the second entry, and then add that to the row plus, and then add that to the third entry. However, the issue here is that the matrix entry is 0, so that term is going to drop off. And for the third one, the matrix term is 0, so that's going to drop off. So really you just have to worry about the first row, first column, and expand along that particular point. So you would have -1 to the second power, which of course gives you a +1. Then you multiply that by -1, and then here you take your determinant, and so your determinant here is going to be this main diagonal multiplied together, so -3, and then minus the off diagonal multiplied together. So what you're looking at is you're looking at 1 times -1 times -3, and that gives you a +3 as your determinant.